At barrel number 3, Tyson Graham. Tyson Graham driving for Brumby Projects. Coming to barrel number 2, Ruskin Construction. And Dean Drager. And at barrel number 1, Extra Tough Rig Mats and Rick McCrory. Up goes the horn, and a good jump up there by Tyson Graham. Let's see if he can carry that on. If he can do it, he's got a dandy. Good one by Double D, Dean Drager as well. He's going to come out there ahead, but it looks like Extra Tough, and Rick McCrory is going to be Extra Tough. He's not going to let Double D take over that spot. He's going to have to put on a little bit of jets because he's got that inside lane. Has he got it sewn up? Well, we're going to see Ruskin Construction go ahead and see if they can hold off and pull away that rail spot away from Rick McCrory as they're coming down now into the backstretch drive. And that's exactly what's happening. Is Double D, Dean Drager, and Ruskin Construction is about a half a length ahead. Rick McCrory, Extra Tough, is in second spot, but he's boxed in now. He's got nowhere to go but straight ahead, and he's looking right down the stove rack of Dean Drager and Ruskin Construction on the outside. It's we're going to go very, very strong out there on the outside with Tyson Graham and the Brumby Projects. But right now, that's how we're lining up. Dean Drager, Ruskin Construction has got this one on the way home, barring any penalties or infractions. This is his race because he's got the steam to hold on to that lead. We're getting threatened on the inside by, there we go with Rick McCrory having a great race out there. But this is Dean Drager and Ruskin Construction coming in number 1. Extra Tough Rig Mats, Rick McCrory will be number 2. And Brumby Projects and Tyson Graham will end up number 3.